Hello dreamers, welcome back on my channel. Important news with the arrival of the new Dreams update, which will be called 2.1. I would say a small step, but which contains juicy news to improve our experience on Dreams, such as the new Liquid Flipbook that will make the drawing experience cleaner, with the promise of being able to move the flipbook anywhere, so as not to block the view of what we are drawing, which would be nice to see also in the main interface, where I would like the possibility to move or even make this part disappear, because it blocks the view a lot while I'm working on the timeline, and sometimes it's really annoying. Before continuing, subscribe to the channel and go watch my latest short film Animal, if you haven't already done. Thank you so much. Certainly, among the most interesting news, there is the possibility, as I was telling you, to move the flipbook, which at the moment remains definitely glued to that point. This will bring the drawing experience even in flipbook mode even closer to Procreate, which I believe has few rivals in terms of interface clearness, allowing us to concentrate totally on what we are drawing. There are obviously other important new features coming soon, and one that intrigues me is the possibility of adding filters to the background of a drawing, for example, although I have to understand what this might entail. For example, if by modifying the background blur, this effect will act on the layers below or will make the layer above more visible. We will have to do some tests to understand what use it could have, but since Dreams is designed for motion graphics, I think interesting things can be done. Another news, smaller improvement on past in place. This is to be understood if it refers to the keyframes or to the flipbook part. In the timeline I can say that selecting and copying keyframes in a precise point of the timeline is not very functional. As you can see, it pastes the keyframes backwards and not forwards, continuing in the timeline. And this is really strange, because in the first version of Dreams 2 this option worked very well. If you have any news about it, write to me in the comments. But the news that I'm perhaps most looking forward to is the possibility of modifying the backstage, and it is the possibility, I hope, of finally being able to have more visibility beyond the limits of the project. Not being able to see almost anything beyond the screen frame is really annoying, especially when we have shapes that need to go out of enter the camera. For example, when we work in performance mode and there are elements that end up running off screen, it would be better to see where they end up. The last big news, coming at least in the short term, is the QuickShape function, which obviously we miss a lot from Procreate, one of the most useful functions while drawing. The ability to create straight lines, circles, ellipses or polygons is essential in this kind of software, especially because if you work frame by frame, you will need all the drawing tools necessary to speed up your work. Without forgetting that I hope the possibility of using drawings guides like on Procreate will soon arrive. This will definitely raise the level of Dreams. We don't know yet when this update will be released, but surely during this year and probably before the summer. There are also important news regarding Procreate, but really big ones, and they concern the arrival of the software on Mac. This definitely opens up new avenues for the team. For example, one of my biggest dreams is that they would add the ability to draw in vector sooner or later. I think it would eliminate the competition once and for all. What you are seeing is one of my new animated projects that are coming to life. I'm drawing on Procreate many elements such as backgrounds and characters. For now there are two projects, Alone, of which I'm already doing the first animations, and this one here, which is just a cover, will surely be something coming during the year, because I have some really interesting ideas. So I recommend you keep an eye on the channel, updates will be coming soon. Well, let me know in the comments what you think of the upcoming news on Dreams. I surprised you with a new video. If you'd like to stay updated on this, you know where to find me. Go see Animal, for me it's really very important. Thank you so much for watching and